Did you know that over 95% of people with app ideas never build them because coding feels too hard or too technical? That might change now, thanks to Google's new Vibe coding inside AI Studio, which lets anyone create apps just by describing them in plain language. So, how does it work? And why is everyone calling it the start of a new era in app creation? Let's find out. What is Vibe coding? Vibe coding is part of Google AI Studio, powered by Gemini, Google's most advanced AI model. Instead of writing long lines of code, users can just type a few sentences describing what kind of app they want. The AI instantly builds it, connecting models, APIs, and all the logic behind the scenes. For example, typing "create an app that turns any photo into a cartoon-style image" will generate a working version within moments. The system automatically includes the tools needed to make it run. It's almost like having a developer assistant that listens, understands, and builds exactly what's described. One of the best parts of Vibe coding is how quickly it turns ideas into reality. Instead of spending hours or days setting up projects, users can go from a simple text prompt to a working app in just minutes. Normally, developers need to write front-end code, link APIs, test connections, and fix bugs. But this system skips all that. It reads what's requested, decides what tools are needed, and connects them automatically. The result is a ready-to-use app that feels effortless. That's not just fast, it's a complete shift in how people can bring digital ideas to life. Anyone who has built apps knows how painful API setup can be, but Vibe coding handles it all automatically, connecting APIs, managing permissions, and ensuring everything runs smoothly so creators can focus on ideas, not setup. The new app gallery in AI Studio is more visual and interactive, showcasing real Gemini AI projects with previews, explanations, and editable code for instant experimentation. Even the brainstorming loading screen turns waiting time into creativity by suggesting layouts, effects, and new ideas. One of the smartest features, Annotation Mode, lets users edit visually by simply describing changes like, "Make this button blue." It transforms coding into a creative, design-like experience, making app creation faster and more enjoyable for everyone. Google has also made sure that creative flow doesn't get interrupted. AI Studio includes a free tier, and when users reach the limit, they don't need to stop working. They can temporarily add their own API keys to keep going, and once the quota resets, the studio switches back automatically. This small but clever design choice makes a big difference for people working on ideas late into the night. No project gets stuck halfway just because of limits. It ensures that creativity and productivity continue smoothly without unnecessary breaks or waiting periods. Vibe coding doesn't just help build apps, it helps launch them too. Once a prototype is ready, users can preview it live, test how it works, and deploy it directly to Google Cloud Run or GitHub in a few clicks. Everything from describing an idea to building, editing, and deploying happens in one connected space. This end-to-end process saves time and reduces setup hassle. It allows both beginners and professionals to move from imagination to launch faster than ever before. The result is a truly complete app-building experience inside one platform. Getting started with app creation can feel intimidating, especially for newcomers. That's why Google added built-in learning support to AI Studio. It offers tutorials, guides, and even a YouTube playlist that explain each step of the process. These resources walk users through writing the first prompt, refining an app, and publishing it online. It's designed to help people learn while they build, turning every project into a mini lesson. This approach makes learning to code, or to use AI, feel less like studying and more like creating something meaningful. The main goal behind vibe coding is accessibility. Coding has always been a skill that takes time and practice to master, but Google wants to make AI app creation open to everyone. Students, business owners, teachers, or hobbyists can all build something useful without needing years of programming experience. By combining natural language understanding, automation, and AI tools, the platform removes technical roadblocks and highlights creativity instead. It's not just about making coding simpler. It's about making the act of creating something new easier and more enjoyable for everyone. At the center of vibe coding lies Gemini, Google's powerful AI model that can handle text, images, video, and even code. Gemini understands context and follows instructions precisely to produce accurate results. This multimodal ability means users can build apps that mix different media, like image recognition, voice interaction, and data search, all in one project. It silently handles the complex logic behind the scenes, so everything works smoothly together. This capability is what truly makes vibe coding possible and sets it apart from traditional development tools. Vibe coding connects seamlessly with Google's AI ecosystem, integrating tools like Veo for video, Nano Banana for images, and Google Search for real-time data, all through simple prompts, no coding needed. It removes the complexity of traditional coding, letting users direct an intelligent assistant instead of writing code, making creation faster and smoother. This gives both developers and beginners new confidence to build with ease. The real impact lies in who gets to build, as anyone can now turn ideas into working apps within minutes. It's a shift that empowers more creativity, faster innovation, and a new generation of AI creators worldwide. Even with all these new features, Google has kept a strong focus on security and privacy. Projects built in AI Studio are protected with Google's trusted cloud security systems. Users' data and API keys are kept private, and switching between personal and work accounts is both simple and secure. This makes the platform reliable for individuals, teams, and organizations. It's not only about making creation faster, it's about making it safe, so users can build confidently without worrying about data leaks or breaches. Vibe coding is just one part of Google's bigger plan to turn AI Studio into a full creative platform. Soon, people will be able to write, code, design, edit videos, and even make presentations in the same space. Recent updates like Gemini Canvas slides already show that direction. With it, users can upload documents or notes and ask Gemini to create presentation slides automatically. Everything connects. Build with vibe coding, explain it with Canvas slides, and share instantly. It's an ecosystem built for both speed and simplicity. Looking at the bigger picture, it's clear that Google wants to make AI creation open to everyone. The goal is to turn coding into conversation and make technology more natural to use. Vibe coding represents a major step toward that vision by breaking the barrier between ideas and execution. Soon, creating an app may not start with code at all. It might start with just one clear sentence. And that change could make the next generation of innovation faster, smarter, and truly open to all. Google's vibe coding redefines app creation, making it fast, simple, and accessible for everyone, from beginners to experts. By turning plain language into fully working apps, it removes the barriers of traditional coding. It's not just a feature, it's the future of how ideas become reality. We hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel.